ground net. It starts off as a gluey mass or something, right? And that's just bacteria.
Yep.
Type
So
of
this
bacteria.
cyanobacteria.
Precipitates rock. That's what it does, or did
Well,
it
no, it traps like if it's in a shallow area, right? So
Right.
if there's a river washing in sediments, so the sediments get trapped in the goo, right? And so they sort of build up
Gotta compress it.
over time.
So then that's what the sediments around it are.
Right. So well, if you so basically this started off as like a film, right? That trapped.
We're gonna get everybody together.
Okay.
Dave, he's ready.
So it traps some sediment, right? And as those things died, new ones kind of built up on top. So if you went and looked at this today, it'd be gooey on the outside, because that's where the living cyanobacteria
Right,
is.
right.
But it
Are
was
they-
solid on the inside because all those bacteria died because they need sunlight.
Are
Right?
there any more? Are they also don't exist anymore? They're extinct.
They exist in a couple places, and there's a place in Australia that they exist, and in a few other places, but they're not as widespread as they used to be. It used to be.
What is this? What it looks like it has like bacteria stuff, those white spots.
This is it's an example of a sedimentary rock, and these pebbles. Where is it? Oh, look over here. You can look at the other side. So you have the sediments that were kind of building up. Yep.
We're coming.
And then as things were dropped in, so if you think of like a conglomerate like we saw upstairs that could form in a riverbed, right? Where you have all these things get washed in, like they kind of pile up.
Right.
And then you have sediments that eventually get washed in, some silt that gets washed in and filled in, but they would all be touching each other, right? So this tells you that it must have been formed where there was ice, like dropping pebbles as they melted out. And the same with this right here. You see this thing? So you have this silt formed here, but you got these big rocks that aren't touching each other. So like how would that form? It's like it's had to be an environment where, a lot of silt building up, and occasionally like the ice above, like you have an iceberg floating over or something, and it would melt and these big rocks would drop out of it. So,